Dr. Ayushi Purohit is doing her PhD in human microbiome and she's a research scientist. She will be enlightening us about maintaining a good gut health by following the proper diet. A balanced diet. Thank you, doctor. Over to you.
So, hi. So, if we say a balanced diet, what should be on our plate? What is the ingredients that we eat? So, keeping a simple formula, fruits and salad should be half of our plate. It's not that एक चीज खाने से we can gain everything. अगर if you eat salad and fruits daily, वो भी आपको पूरा fulfillment नहीं देंगे. So half of the plate should be of fruits and colorful salads. Rice, wheat should be half of your plate. Legumes or dal should be half. And the probiotic, that is like the dahi or chach that we say, we should have daily as a probiotic to maintain a balanced diet. Like you are saying ki golgappe ya chaat, that is also not good, bad for our health, but moderation is the key. If we maintain a proper diet with that, if we are eating in moderation, so it can help us to enlighten or keep our health in proper shape. Second is the exercise or the activity that we perform daily. Agar if we are eating and sleeping, that will not lead to a good thing. But if we are active for the whole day and we are eating in proper moderation, that can be a key to a successful gut health.
Does eating mango increase our blood sugar level?
Especially those people are diabetic or they are having liver problems, any comorbidity problems, उनको थोड़ा moderation में खाना चाहिए. If you are having a mango, तो carbohydrate जो rice और रोटी खाइए, that should be avoided. एक मतलब after eating a mango, after 2 hours the blood glucose level spikes up. Mango is not bad, but it is having a high glycemic index, due to which the blood sugar levels increases after 2 hours. So अगर you are having a proper diet कि भाई आज मैंने कम रोटी खाई है, you can have 1 mango or 2 mango. This is for the people जो diabetic हैं, they are having some problems at a higher risk, मतलब age में भी ज़्यादा हैं और having a higher risk of problems can have. But I think mango is not bad. It is full of antioxidants. It's having vitamins. It is very necessary eating in summer, but in moderation.
How healthy is intermittent fast to reduce weight?
Intermittent fasting is good for a shorter period of time. If you say कि भाई मुझे 3 महीने में weight lose करना है, but it is not good for a longer period of time. Intermittent fasting में you can't maintain total things that is needed for the body. आजकल एक वो चल रहा है कि 16 to 8 hours, तुम 16 hours फास्ट पे रहो, then you have 8 hours of food. कितना खा लोगे? या तो ऐसा होगा you will have your food, उसमें vitamins, minerals, trace elements, macronutrients, micronutrients are not taken up by the body. Better is have small portion of meals in a smaller amounts. अगर मैं सुबह I eat soaked almonds, उसके बाद मैं थोड़ा सा green tea पी लूँ, that is better rather than restricting yourself to not eating completely. And intermittent fasting is not like advised for pregnant women, breastfeeding women, all the people who are on a high risk diseases. But if you are in a mood to reduce your weight fast, it's just the count of calories.
How are protein supplements useful for our body?
Protein is one of the building block of our body. Our body is made of amino acids, and there are mainly 2 type of amino acid. One is the essential, one is the non-essential. तो जो essential होता है वो हमें चाहिए होता है through diet, तभी हमारी body की functioning maintain रहेगी. जो non-essential होता है वो body अपने आप makeup कर लेती है through some processes in the body. That is some like pathways that the body makes it. But essential के लिए हमें maintain करना होता है proper level. अब there are many people that are going to gym. सारे लोग वो powder वाले protein, I don't know, bars, they eat a lot, but that protein is not maintaining your levels. बहुत लोग कुछ नहीं खाते but they are drinking that protein, and that protein is actually hazardous to health. हमें नहीं पता लेबल में क्या लिखा है, एक्चुअल में क्या है. हमें नहीं पता जो लेबल में लिखा है दैट इज नीडेड बाय आवर बॉडी, दैट इज नॉट नीडेड बाय आवर बॉडी. इट्स बेटर relying on a natural source. Have soya chunks for vegetarian, I am saying. Have moong dal. There are 100 options for protein. Kala chana hota hai. Then there is moong chilla, oats. You can have them. For non-vegetarian, you can have plain type of meat. Chicken is there. Then you can have poultry, eggs you can have. So there are 100 of options, but blindly relying on plethora of proteins, I don't think is a good thing. But if you are considering it, आप जाइए उसमें डॉक्टर के पास. You can tell your protein intake, what are you taking, and then consult it. But just going to the gym, eating protein, I don't think it's a good option.